Okay, so we started off with 2 Boursin cheeses, and I'm adding some corn, no salt added. We're gonna add 3 cans of corn into our 13x9 pan with our Boursin cheese. This is gonna be so good and so easy. It is my favorite appetizer. The thing we're gonna add is our nice crispy cooked bacon, and we're just gonna cut this right into our dish. It doesn't need to be perfectly spread out because we will be giving it a mix later on. So just make sure to get all of that bacon in there. I'm using 6 slices of cooked bacon. Oh my goodness. And that's why it's important to use the no salt added corn, because bacon is already salty enough. There is some salt in the cheeses, so you really don't need that additional sodium. But you know what? I'm not your mother. You can do whatever you like. If you like the sodium, get the salt added. Okay, let's go ahead and finish cutting this up into our dish. Oh, the bacon smells good, the cheese smells good, and call me crazy, that corn smells delicious. Okay, perfect. All right, we're keeping our shears close because we're gonna go ahead and cut some green onion in here, add some color and some freshness. This is gonna be delicious. You could do chives if you'd like. You could add some jalapenos, but I'm gonna keep this not spicy this time because not everyone likes that heat, even though I do. And we're just going to get a good amount of our green onions in here. It is gonna be delicious. All right, now I'm gonna come in with my sharp white cheddar cheese. And this is already shredded. You could shred your own if you want it to be extra fresh, but I am happy with it like this. We're gonna do 1 bag, 2 bags of our sharp white cheddar cheese. Right in there, extra cheesy pleasy. Okay, go ahead and get all of that in there. Spread it from edge to edge. Okay, now last but not least, more cheese. So this is some shaved Parmesan cheese, and we are gonna go ahead and just do a light sprinkle in there. We're not gonna add as much Parmesan because it doesn't melt as nicely as the other cheeses, but it still has that nice, you know, stinky taste to it. Okay, this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and it's gonna be in there for 35 minutes. All right, while that's in the oven, I'm gonna grab my corn tortillas, get these pulled out, grab my pizza cutter, and we're gonna cut this into our tortilla chips. I'm not the best at cutting evenly, but as long as we have some triangles, this is gonna be perfect for our dip. All right, these are gonna crisp up super quick. We just have a little bit of vegetable oil that we had heating up, and we are gonna have the best homemade tortilla chips. Tortilla chips are way too easy to make for you to have any excuses to buy some. Okay, let's get a good amount right there. All right, this is what we want our tortilla chips to look like. I have a plate with paper towel on it, and we're gonna quickly get these on here, and then we're gonna salt them so that we have the perfect tortilla chip, okay? And you can use flour tortillas if you don't want more corn, but we have some gluten-free people in my family, so we gotta keep it gluten-free. Perfect, and while they still have that oil on there, just a little bit of salt. Nothing crazy. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and check on that dip. Okay, you guys, this is ready. It is time to give it a good stir. Oh, look, that Boursin cheese, perfectly melted. This is gonna be the cheesiest dip you've ever had. Oh my goodness, and don't forget we have those homemade tortilla chips. If I had to go back and do this recipe again, I would add some liquid. I think it's a little too cheesy, but you know what? A little cheese never hurt anybody. Okay, get this nice and mixed together because we have a special guest in the kitchen today. All right, Mikey, let's get in here.
Oh, wow.
We have a delicious
Hello,
corn
everybody.
dip.
Oh, wow, that's so good.
All right, what's your page name?
Mike Nebby.
Yeah, Mike Nebby. You'll
Or
see
Nebby's
his-
America. I'm trying to do cooking as well.
Yeah, he's good. He's good.
Oh, thank you.
All right, homemade tortilla chip. Dig in.
Can't wait for this.
Oh, that's a big bite.
Oh, wow.
Hot?
That's really good.
Yay!